Hi everyone. In this video, I will show you how to restore accidentally closed Premiere Pro time. Here I accidentally pressed Ctrl+W multiple time and it closing my windows. How to restore everything. Go to your window menu and workspaces. Effect workspace is selected. Click on this, reset to saved layout, or press Alt+Shift+0. Everything restored except the timeline. To restore timeline, go to Project section. And find your sequence. And double-click on it. And that's it. Share your thoughts on this. If there is any question, you can ask in the comment section. Make sure you head over to my YouTube channel, where I upload graphic-related tutorials. Thank you for watching.